Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Dodge Charger V6 versus V8 sound. We'll explore the unique characteristics of each engine's exhaust note, helping you understand the differences. The V6 typically offers a more refined, higher-pitched sound, while the V8 delivers that iconic, throaty rumble. We'll discuss what contributes to these distinct auditory experiences and help you decide which might be better for your preferences. The Dodge Charger V6, often found in SXT and GT trims, provides a sound profile that's distinct from its V8 counterpart. You'll typically hear a smoother, more refined exhaust note, often described as higher-pitched. While it might not have the raw aggression of a V8, it still offers a sporty and engaging sound, especially under acceleration. This engine is known for its efficiency and a pleasant, less boisterous auditory experience. Now, let's talk about the Dodge Charger V8 sound, synonymous with models like the R/T, Scat Pack, and Hellcat. This engine produces that unmistakable, deep, guttural rumble that muscle car enthusiasts adore. It's a lower-frequency, more aggressive sound that truly announces its presence. The V8's exhaust note is a significant part of the Charger's identity, offering an exhilarating auditory experience that many consider superior for performance driving. So, which sound is better? It truly comes down to personal preference and what you value in a driving experience. If you appreciate a smoother, more efficient, and still sporty sound, the V6 is an excellent choice. However, if you crave that iconic, deep, aggressive muscle car rumble and raw power, the V8 is undoubtedly the way to go. Both offer unique auditory experiences. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.